Welcome to Trading Lounge and the European indices, but today I'm just going to cover the DAX. And starting on the weekly chart here, what I want to point out here is that from the top of wave 3 here down to wave 4, this move here is plainly corrective. So I know many people have had it bearish. Elliott Wave International have had it as a bearish pattern that continued to the downside here, but I've just never seen it like that. So yeah, as far as I can see is that this top here needs to be taken out. So, you know, there's still a long way to go with this market as such. Let's go and have a look at the wave count for this move here. I do need to take it 1 degree higher. So from this particular wave 4 here, I need to label these moves here 1 degree higher. But the count is pretty much on. So we're looking at wave 1 and 2. All the way up for 3 here, 4 here, and we're looking for 5 waves up through here. So from this wave 4 low, let's go pick that up from the 4-hour chart here, which is in here. Excuse my mess, which I just keep to the side here somewhat. Don't need that one. We will need this one here. So from this wave 4 here, we've got a little 5-wave structure up here for 1 and 2, and then wave 1 here and wave 2. If you've also got wave 1 here, that's also correct. Wave 2, so we're looking at 1 and 2 and 3 here and 4 here and 5 here for wave 3. Then we'll look at wave 4 here. That will pull back to the wave 4 of 1 lesser degree or 38.2% retracement level, and then move higher from that point there. So this wave 3 here is the one that we're looking at the moment and trading long in. So let's go in and have a look at that. So on the 1-hour chart here, picking it up from wave 2 here, wave 1 and 2 here, and then we're looking at 5 waves to the upside here. I've lifted this 1 degree higher to this structure here, same count, just 1 degree higher. So wave 1 and 2 here, up for wave 3 here, back for wave 4 here, and then we're looking for a top probably around the 12,700 mark here. So from this little wave 4 here, we've got wave 1 and 2 here, and 5 waves up for wave 3 and back for wave 4 here, and then we're going up for wave 5 at 12.7 there. So I've moved the stop up further now to this low here. We're looking at taking profit or part profit. Last time we spoke, I think it was around the 12,650 level. The 12,650 level is important because in terms of the trading levels, we have 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 5, and 8. The Fibonacci numbers we use as price ratio here. So when we get to 5 here, the next number is 8, but the halfway mark is the little 65 number, which in this case is the 12,650. So it's played out here a little bit. There'll be a lot more for it to play out through here as well. So there'll be the high coming in here. 600 and 700 is important. Don't get me wrong. It's just that this one here, I call it the balance line, the 65 number, 650, 65, and always between 5 and 8. And yeah, it will play out here quite nicely. So this is the wave 4 of 1 lesser degree here. So this from once we've got this top in play here from wave 5 of 3 here, then an A wave here, a B wave here, and a C wave here that can pull back to the 38.2% retracement level, or the wave 4 of 1 lesser degree here is always our starting point. But as always, we look at the structure of things as it moves down. The structure is more important than the target. These are just flags to swim between, so to speak. Yeah, so the US have got the non-farm payrolls today, I think. So it could be help it do a bit of a sharp turn here, as it'll be the news anyway. So, But yeah, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. The other European markets will follow the same pattern here as well. So yeah, just looking for this A wave here, B wave and C wave here, and then up from there. I mean, I brought the stop up. I talked yesterday about keeping the stop well out of the way here, but wave 4s can be a little bit time consuming, so it's probably better just to look at, if you've taken part profit there, great. Otherwise, let's look at 12.7 here. And just move that stop up as the market moves up here as well. So I won't move it until it opens. We could, I mean, I'll just keep it here, but you could probably move it up to there. But market makers, depending on which market makers you use, the smaller they are, sometimes the more dodgier they are, and you know, they'll just clip your ticket, take your stop. So just be mindful of that. I'm talking about CFDs because in Europe you have CFDs and spread betting. In the US we don't. You don't. In Australia we have CFDs as well. Yeah, so yeah, just continue to rate. We're just tightening the game up now because we've got long positions here, here, and here, and we've got our stop here. So we're in a lovely position. So let's just finish this off and we'll chill out. I don't think we'll be looking to trade this short here. I'll just leave that up to you if you want to do that. But trading against the main trend is dangerous, and I don't think it's. I don't know. If it's going to be a big, you just need the evidence, really. You know, if I was going to trade it, I'd wait for wave A to come in, and I'd want to see that we've got 5 waves in wave A. Because if we've got 5 waves here, then I know that after an ABC correction here in 3 waves, a 5, 3, 5 structure, then I know that we will be getting wave C here. But wave C can also be really quite short as well. Doesn't have to have equality with wave A. So yeah, I'm not going to call a trade on that, and if you do that yourself, then just be mindful of that you're trading against the trend. So the first thing to do is use a smaller position size. Yeah, alrighty, I'm going to leave it at that. Thanks for tuning in, thanks for the support, and enjoy the weekend. Cheers.